In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Facebook ads efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a marketer looking to get a leg up on the competition or merely curious about the types of ads your favorite brands are running, this guide will walk you through each step necessary to access this information on the Facebook platform. Let's start with the Facebook Ad Library, a powerful and transparent tool designed by Facebook to offer users insight into all active and inactive advertisements across its platforms, including Instagram. You can access this resource by visiting the Facebook Ad Library page. Upon your visit, the web page will prompt you with several categories of ads to choose from. Your next step involves selecting the category of ads you're interested in. The categories range from political and issue ads, which are strictly regulated and thus heavily documented, to more general categories such as goods and services. Being specific about the ad category can streamline your search, making it easier to locate the exact types of advertisements you wish to explore. Once you've navigated through the categories, it's time to narrow down your search even further by clicking on the All Ads option. This option filters your search, enabling you to browse through a broader selection of advertisements that may not necessarily fit into the more stringent categories, like political or issue ads, but still hold relevance to your interests or industry. The next crucial step involves typing in the name of the page, whose ads you wish to view. This is where knowing exactly what or who you're looking for comes in handy. The search bar is incredibly responsive and efficient, but it requires precise input. Typing in the exact page name will direct you to a curated list of advertisements that are or were live on Facebook, associated specifically with that page. After finding the page in question, the subsequent action involves clicking on their profile. This maneuver will take you directly to a comprehensive collection of advertisements that the page has published. It's a gateway to analysing various ad campaigns, allowing you to see firsthand the creative strategies employed, including the diversity in their messaging, visuals, and overall engagement tactics. Finally, the last step in our process involves browsing through the selected page's ads. At this stage, you're presented with an array of advertisements that you can scroll through at your leisure. Each ad includes detailed information such as the ad's lifespan, its engagement metrics, and the target demographics, among other strategic insights. This grand overview not only exposes you to the ad's content, but also offers a glimpse into the pacing and progression of different advertising campaigns. Throughout this exploration, here are a few tips and tricks to make your search even more productive. Pay attention to the date ranges. They can provide insights into seasonal campaigns or timing strategies utilized by brands. Looking into the target demographics and engagement metrics can offer a new perspective on the effectiveness of each ad, giving you a better understanding of who the ad was meant to influence and how successful it might have been. Don't rush the process. Taking the time to analyze the ads you're interested in can provide invaluable insights into creative strategies, messaging angles, and graphics used to captivate audiences. Remember, the Facebook Ad Library is an open book to anyone willing to delve into it. Whether you're critiquing a competitor's advertising strategies or drawing inspiration for your next big campaign, the Ad Library offers a comprehensive look into the ever-evolving world of Facebook advertising. That's all for our guide on how to view Facebook ads. Dive in, explore, and let the endless supply of advertisements inspire your next creative project. Happy browsing.